All right, everyone, I got a new series for you. It's going to be a 1955 Ford restoration rebuild. And so we're going to change out the suspension, the front, the rear, four-link, Ford 9-inch rear end. It's going to be, of course, an LS engine. We upgraded to a 6.2 liter. It's going to be a twin turbo. Right now you're looking at the frame. It's kind of done. We're going to go into detail with what we did with that, how we did the front end, the Crown Vic swap, the rear end. We'll go into that. I'm not a car builder. I've got a good friend of mine that's doing a lot of the work for me, but I just want to document it and post it for you guys to watch. All right, so if you have questions about a lot of stuff, I probably can't answer the questions, but I'll post videos and let you watch the build. So thanks for watching. This is going to be the new direction for a little bit. I'll have some quite a few videos on the build and everything. Here's the four-link. Some of the stuff was powder coated. Some of the stuff is sitting over here. So I'm going to go with a 4L80 transmission and a 6.2 liter engine, and throwing a fuel cell in there and some other goodies. So the cab is at a different location at my friend's house. So that's going to come a few weeks or maybe a month or so. But I'll be posting the videos as soon as I can, and hopefully you guys watch this new series. Thanks.